Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with power and storage, so plug the Yada dash cam into the car accessory socket or confirm the internal battery is above 30%. Next, insert a Class 10 micro SD card, 32 to 128 GB, formatted in the camera so recordings save reliably. Once done, attach the mount to the windshield about 3.5 to 4 inches below the rearview mirror. Align the horizon in the preview. These early steps ensure stable footage and uninterrupted power, which is why you begin here before changing any settings. You're now configuring how the camera records and reacts, so open the menu and pick 1080p or 5K resolution to balance clarity and storage. Enable loop recording and set segment length to 1/2 or 1 minute. Turn on the G sensor so collisions lock files. Make sure GPS and time/date are accurate because timestamps matter for incidents. Once the settings are applied, take a short 1 to 2 minute drive to test angle, audio quality, and event triggers so you know the system will capture what matters. You're finishing by securing cables and verifying recordings. Route the power cable along the A-pillar and tuck it under trim so it doesn't block airbags. Review saved clips on playback. Copy any important footage to your PC or cloud for redundancy, and confirm firmware is up to date. If the camera fails to boot or behaves erratically, check the car fuse and the hardwired connection first. If that's fine, reformat the micro SD in camera and try again. This often resolves corrupt card issues and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.